Hi, my name is Thomas and welcome to this Trix Academy video. In this lesson I will show you how to assemble a standard patch cable. The procedure is the same for both standard cables and crossover. I will now show you how to assemble the cable. Before I start, I will show you the crimping tool. The tool has three functions: cutting, stripping and crimping. Now I will show you how to make a straight through patch cable. I will be using the T568B standard. I could use the T568A. I just need to use the same standard in both ends. First, I will add the modular plug jacket. Then I will remove the jacket. I will remove more jacket than needed, so it is easier to work with the pairs inside. Inspect that you haven't damaged the isolators on the copper. If this is the case, you need to start over. Next, remove the separator. Now I will untwist and straighten the copper wires. Finally, I will arrange them according to the T568B standard. I will trim the ends and insert these into the modular plug. Push the plug as far over the jacket as you can. Double check the pinout. Crimp the plug so it's firmly connected to the cable. I will follow the same procedure for the other end of the cable. I have now completed my patch cable and I will now test the cable to see if it's assembled correctly. For this I will be using our cable tester. I will simply connect the patch cable to the cable tester. During the test you'll see the LEDs light up in pairs throughout the cable. So this is a straight through standard patch cable. If these two ends are meters apart, I can still do the same test. This completes the assembly of the standard patch cable. In the Trix Academy how-to videos, you will also find a how-to on patch panels. Thank you for watching.